Good morning, Your Worship. I confirm appearing on behalf of the accused, Your Worship. Your Worship would remember that last week we asked for indulgence from the court to have this matter remanded to today, Your Worship, in order for us to proceed. However, I have consulted with the accused, Your Worship. There has been certain developments that took place from the last sitting that we had here, wherein unfortunately the accused, Your Worship, was charged for another matter in the Carltonville Court, Your Worship, where he's appearing. And we have consulted extensively with regard to now those particular developments, and we have taken the decision to abandon the bail application at this stage. We will not be proceeding with the bail application anymore, Your Worship. I'm not quite certain with regard to the investigations with regard to this matter, Your Worship, how far are they? And we would like that, if possible, if all investigations have already been completed, that disclosure be given to us so that we can prepare ourselves for trial, Your Worship. But however, we have come to the realization that for us to proceed with the bail application at the stage, whilst there's another matter pending that other side, would honestly be a futile exercise for us then to attempt a bail application at the stage, Your Worship. That is as far as I can take my address at this point in time, Your Worship, unless if there's anything else that the court would like me to address on.
The investigations are incomplete in the matter, Your Worship. The witness statements are still outstanding. We are therefore requesting that the matter be remanded once more for further investigations, Your Worship. The court can guide us, Your Worship, in terms of...
When is the next appearance of
Your Worship, I have been informed that it's on the 5th of February, and I believe that is for a formal bail application in the Fortville Magistrate Court. Just one thing, Your Worship. My understanding is that the accused has been charged now for a cyber crime related matter. That is basically posting something on Twitter. I'm not sure what witnesses exactly does the state mean, because I would assume that the only witnesses in this matter are more likely to be the complainants, whom obviously the docket that relates to this matter is solely based on those statements, meaning the complainant statement should be the foundation of this docket, Your Worship.
Indeed, so, Your Worship. There was a charge that was added, Your Worship, on the second docket. We just need to complete the investigations in that said docket, Your Worship.
Yeah, Your Worship. We are not aware of a second charge, Your Worship. This is now coming as a surprise to us. It's more coming off as we are being ambushed in actual fact. We cannot have a situation where the accused is being tried by ambush. We were never made aware of any secondary charge that the accused is facing. We are only aware of one, which is being the same charge that was preferred from inception of this matter when the accused first made his, or rather when the accused made his first appearance, Your Worship. No, Your Worship. In actual fact, since we've had the invitation to appear in this court, Your Worship, we haven't had any other thing. We haven't seen the charge sheet. We were only made aware of what the accused is facing on the first appearance, but there hasn't been anything official or on paper that has been handed over to us, Your Worship, for us to be well aware of what exactly the accused is facing. 4 counts.
Your Worship, I have a copy of the annexure, if I can also just finish there to my length quick.
Oh, let me rather get the annexure, Your Worship. I'll go through this at the later stage, Your Worship. Thank you. Your Worship, I'll take it from the address of the state, Your Worship. It was only mentioned that there's 2 statements or 2 witness statements that are outstanding. I don't think that should take too long, Your Worship, to obtain. a date sometime in February, Your Worship. Maybe just after the 5th of February.
18th February.
It is a suitable date on my side, Your Worship. May I approach the accused, Your Worship? The 18th is in order, Your Worship. Matter may be so postponed to the date.
Thank you, Mr. So your matter is postponed 18 February back to court number 3 for further investigations. In custody, no bail set.
This court, Your Worship, this matter then Max Marol may be excused, Your Worship. Thank you.
Sanbonani yet again, thank you so much for coming. Thank you very much. Please consider like a video kubalekile. Please like it, subscribe if you still haven't subscribed. Kubalekile nakhona nok share. So kule video bengini posteleke uMusa Khawula since I've been talking about uMusa Khawula as well kule channel. So bese khoti ke uMusa Khawula kubonakala sengathi nje uvele wangaqhubekeli phambili ngebail application yakhe. Siyabona laphana ummeli wakhe ngasenkantolo bethi uMusa Khawula udecide ukungaqhubeki ngebail application. Mhlambe yila amanye amacala engike ngabe ngikhuluma ngawo if you didn't watch those videos ukuthi uMusa Khawula kuthona amanye ama cases and mhlambe ubona ukuthi kuyafana ngase ngiphume ngebail basazongithatha futhi bangibuyisele bangilahle cause kukhona futhi abangibophile into ezikanjalo nje ngoba ngathi unama case nyana uMusa Khawula lo oyiblogger njengami nje bafowethu ke khona ke abambambayo ngoba ekhuluma izinto eziphume endleleni ngabo kunaleli cala lokuthi watholakala esemotweni nobhudo 1010 angazi babe senzani lapho trespassing ntoni basuke lapho basebashayisa ke omunye walabo abantu ngemoto baqede bahamba. So angazi maningi amakhisi kuleleli likaWandile Khambuli lo waye umuntu wakhe naye wamgwazo washona kunaliphi futhi hayi ambadlanyana nje amakhisi kaMusa Khawula. So since decide kungaqhubeki ngebail ngoba uyazi mhlawumbe ukuthi kuyafana ngase ngibuye back, so why apply, get bail, go outside uphinde futhi uthathe kuthiwe sesikubophile buyela uphume ungene kuthiwe buyela. So rather not angazi mhlambe isona sizathu mhlambe ngesinye sizathu uyatrenda kuthiwa uMusa Khawula has abandoned his bail application. Kuningi ngoMusa bafethu naye akezwa nkosi yami akezwa. So angazi ke njengoba ubonile iclip in the beginning obese court and kuthiwa ke uthe angeke aqhubeke phambili ngebail application. Asazi ngizona update okunye nokunye. Thank you so much ukuthi ubuka video. Sizobonana kwelandelayo. Bye.